In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert an HEIC file to a JPEG. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Let's jump right into the tutorial. I'll introduce the useful tools that work on both Windows and Mac, as well as Android and iOS, so you'll have no trouble converting your images no matter what device you're using. As you can see, here we are on my computer. I'm hovering over this image, which is in HEIC format, and I want to convert it to JPEG. First up, we have CloudConvert. It's an easy-to-use tool that supports a wide variety of formats, including HEIC to JPG. All you need to do is open your web browser, I'm using Google Chrome here, and search for CloudConvert. Once you're on the website, choose your HEIC image and select JPG as the output format. Click on the Select File button, then hit Start Conversion, and in just a few seconds, your HEIC file will be converted to JPEG. It's that simple. Next, we have iLoveIMG. It's another fantastic online converter that's perfect for batch processing. Simply go to the website, drag and drop your HEIC images into the tool, choose JPG as the output format, and click Convert Images. It's fast, and the interface is super user-friendly. Now, let me introduce you to HitPaw Video Converter. While it's mainly known as a video converter, it's also a powerful image converter. What makes HitPaw stand out is that it not only handles HEIC to JPG conversions, but also supports batch conversion and other formats like PNG, GIF, and more. So, if you're looking for a more versatile tool that combines both video and image conversion in one software, this could be a great choice for you. I've linked it in the description below, so check it out if you're interested. Lastly, we have Convertio, another popular online tool that supports HEIC to JPG conversion. All you need to do is upload your file from your computer or even from Google Drive or Dropbox. Choose JPG as the output format and hit Convert. It's very straightforward, and the conversion happens quickly. So there you have it, 4 different tools to convert your HEIC images to JPG. Whether you're looking for a free online solution or a more advanced software tool, there's an option for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which tool you like the best. And if you have any questions or need further help, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.